Hi guys, it's Condoleezza, and if you're new here, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how I achieve this look. So this is going to be my curly hair routine, also my wash day routine as well. So today I'm going to be showing you guys how I do my curly hair routine. So I'm going to first start by washing my hair with the coconut and hibiscus shampoo by SheaMoisture. Then I'm just going to make sure I start at the top of my hair and bring that all the way through the ends of my hair. After I'm done rinsing through my hair with cold water, I'm just going to split my hair right down the middle. Then I'm going to go in with my Garnier Fructis smoothing mask, and I like to use this as a conditioner, so I'm just going to apply this all throughout my hair. And then while that product is in my hair, I'm going to start detangling with a wide tooth comb, starting from the ends of my hair, working my way upwards. And then just to make sure I get all the knots out, I'm going to go in with my wet brush and do the same process. Then I'm going to rinse through my hair with cold water, and then I'm going to go in with my Intense Hydration Hair Mask by SheaMoisture. And guys, I love this mask so much. I use it every single wash day, and if you're someone who struggles with really dry or frizzy hair, then I highly recommend this mask. Then I'm just going to brush that mask through my hair, and then I'm going to put my hair up in a low bun, and I'm going to leave that mask in my hair for about 10 to 15 minutes. Then after that time is up, I'm just going to rinse through my hair while brushing through it. And then for styling my hair, I'm just going to split my hair right down the middle. And then I'm first going to go in with my Curl Enhancing Smoothie by SheaMoisture. And then I'm going to evenly distribute that through my hair. And then for my second product, I'm going to go in with my Cantu leave-in conditioner with Argan oil. I've been using this for years. I know some of you guys really don't like Cantu, but it was just the cheaper option for me at the time. And then for my third product, I'm going to go in with my Kinky-Curly Not Today, and I'm just going to add a little bit of this to the top of my head. And then once all that's added, I'm going to brush all the products through my hair, and then I'm going to add a little bit of water to my hair as well, and then put my hair back in that low bun. And the reason for this low bun is so that I can finish up with my shower before I get out and start styling my hair. And then once I'm out, I'm just going to put a towel over my shoulders, preferably a microfiber towel. I just couldn't find mine at the moment. And then I'm going to start sectioning my hair. The first part is going to be right by the tops of my ears. So I'm first going to start by just taking that section and splitting that directly down the middle. Then I'm going to take the two sides and I'm just combing through them. So there's really three main steps I follow when styling my hair. I'm just going to first get those pieces of hair wet, and then I'm going to brush through it with my diamond brush. This one is by Cantu. And then for this part, I'm just making sure that the curls are clumped together. And then for the last step, I'm going to smooth them over with my fingers. Then for the second section of my hair, I part kind of where my eyebrows end. So here I'm going to repeat the process. See how I'm starting under the hair first, just to make sure that hair can stand up, and then I'm going to smooth that over with the brush. Then I'm going to take some water and do the same thing with my fingers. And then for this last little section, I'm just going to finger curl these pieces that frame my face. Then I'm going to go in with the Not Your Mother's Curl Talk Mousse, and I'm just going to scrunch that all throughout my hair. Then I'm going to go in with a little bit of my Miss Jessie's Jelly Soft Curls, and I'm also going to scrunch that through my hair as well. After I scrunch my hair, I'm going to plot my hair for 10 minutes. After the 10 minutes is up, I'm going to start diffusing on the lowest setting and the coldest setting, gradually working my way up to medium heat. So after diffusing my hair, this is the look I'm left with. Also, keep in mind with curly hair, you're never gonna get the same results each time you do it. Sometimes you're gonna have better hair days, sometimes you're gonna have more frizz, or sometimes your curls won't set like you would like them to. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Don't forget to like and subscribe and comment if you guys have any questions.